Hey guys, what's going on? Jay with Liberty Ring Creations. We are outside today. We're not in the shop. We're going to do some fun stuff. We're going to melt the old punch outs that we used for coin rings, and we're going to try and make our own coin that we can hopefully turn into a ring. And we'll probably have a little left over, so maybe pour some bars too. So without further ado, let's get to it.
Shut up and sit down.
Time to add the punch outs. Now we're going to try and make the mold with some casting sand. My idea was to try and get detail off of an existing coin. This is my first time working with casting sand. I usually just use a graphite mold, but I wanted to see if I could pick up detail on the coin. I was trying to press the coin into the sand to leave an impression of the detail on the coin. Didn't have luck this time. Try it again. Didn't look like I picked up much detail with this casting sand. Okay, let's just pour a coin. Now the fun part, liquid metal.
right, guys. Well, we melted down some stuff. This was fun. And we made some bars. And we were able to make a coin. It's a little on the fat side. We are gonna have to clean it up and hope that I can punch a hole in it and maybe make a ring. So we'll probably try that in an upcoming episode. Until then, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That lets you know when we're releasing new videos. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Be safe, and we'll see you soon.